Hello, Katrin here with European Paper Crafts in the US. Welcome to my channel and thank you for stopping by. Today I have new paper pads for you and easy 3D toppers. So let's get started. I have found this new company from Poland. It's called P13 and they make the most beautiful hand-drawn papers. And that's what I like to share with you today. And of course the cards that I have created with them. So here is my first card, and I used a card blank from Michaels and papers from this new paper pad that I was mentioning, the P13, and I'm going to show that to you in a minute. And the bird, the topper, is by Easy 3D. It's an Easy 3D topper by Hardy Crafts. And here is my first topper pack, and it's called the Budgies and the Birds. And look at these beautiful birdies. There are 10 to a pack, and each bird has 3 layers, the base layer and then 2 top layers. And you just add foam pads and have that immediate effect. So this is how they come. They come in individual little packages and you just take them out and stack them. And there is a second one that is just called Birds. And same here, you got beautiful songbirds all in spring flowers, spring blossoms on the tree. So gorgeous. And they make your card. You don't need anything else other than the pretty background papers. So these are my first 2 cards, and what I have used here are those papers by P13. Now let's see what we have here. I guess we're going to start off with the paper pack. So this paper pad is 6 by 6. It has 24 double-sided sheets in there, and each sheet is in there 4 times. So there are 6 different designs and they're in there 4 times. But because you have them double-sided, I want to say you have 12 designs. So what I like about P13, they also print the inside of the cover with embellishments that if you like, you can fuzzy cut out. And I think I've fuzzy cut a couple of things. Of course, if you have a scan and cut, you could use that. But you know, at least the bigger embellishments, I think you can also cut out by hand. You can leave a white border. It doesn't have to be too to the detail. But you could also cut out just the corner and use it maybe as background. But now let's take a look at this gorgeous, almost like watercolor quality paper. And it is cardstock. So let me see, does it say how? It is 240 GSM, yeah. So it is cardstock. And on the back you have this beautiful polka dot. Look at these gorgeous flowers. You could cut these into borders and strips. I love this background here that has the music on here, faded. There are so many pretty papers out these days. This company I just love. They got this fresh look to it. Here is some script on the back, which is always a good thing too, because you can use that. Here are the flowers. More music in green, and then you have cut aparts too. So if you cut these, and these are easily cut because they're all squares, then you have a topper. So love that idea of having toppers in the pack. And then look at this. This is another beautiful layout here where you have this gorgeous corner. Can you see here a slimline card? and because it is double-sided, it's just gorgeous. And here you have tags. How cute are those? Look at these beautiful spring tags. And then it starts over again. So 24 sheets. Now matching, we have what it's called the banners. So this is the series is called the 4 Seasons, and this is spring. So we have the die cut garlands, and what you have here, let's see if this focuses in. I hope it does. Maybe not. Let me just show you so you have a better idea what these die cuts are all about. So you have these banner pieces here. They're all yellow in the back, so you could use them like that as well, and it has this little script on there. But then you have these beautiful, look at this cute little bunny here. Those beautiful garden designs. And of course these are great toppers on your cards. You could make a banner out of it. And they're all different. So here you don't have them repeated. Look at the wreath. Very, very nice. So you have those. And then you also have those small tags. These are cute as well. Let me share those with you. And even don't forget to use the packaging, because you know, look, the packaging even is nice. So then you have these smaller tags that they have a hole here. And you can see how I have used them here in a minute on my cards. So you have those. And then you also have a little notebook that comes in that same design. So if you like notebooks, let's take a look at that too. This is plain blank inside, but this is cardstock. So what you could do is draw in here. You could stamp in here. So you can make a little journal, but with the very same design. So again, this is the 4 Seasons by P13. This is spring. I also have in my shop the 4 Seasons, and this is summer. And I'm currently making cards with those, so that video is coming up. But look at this, it's got these cameras, and it's got travel in there, and all kinds of beautiful summer images. So that video is coming. And then there is another one, it's also called Summer. And this one here has, again, beautiful papers. It's got the garlands again with all different summer, summer images. So now let's go back to the spring one, and I'll show you the cards that I have made. Now the birds we have just seen, so I think here the paper is definitely working very well, and all I did is I added a little bit of glitter to it, and that's all. And here this bling here is the doodads that I showed you a few weeks ago. Just love these because they're very sparkly. Okay, next here is this card I made, and the beautiful background. I cut out one of these cut aparts, collect beautiful moments, it says here. This is another little tag that I cut out. And actually, no, hold on. I cut out this tag, and the collect beautiful moments is a sticker pad from Michaels. That's what it is. Let me just share that with you really quick. I got that on sale with Michael's, and that's what it's called. So a hot buy, the floral sticker pack. And that just matched so well, so I left it on there. And the die cut here comes from the umbrellas and flowers, and there are 10 to a pack. Absolutely gorgeous card toppers. And here is just one on this pretty spring card, and this could be a spring shower if you have a baby shower or maybe a wedding shower. These umbrellas make beautiful shower cards, of course. Okay, let's see what else I got. Okay, then I have used the bicycles, and look how spring-like this looks. I love to ride my bicycle, so I know there are a lot of people out there that do the recreational cycling, not necessarily to be in the Olympics, but just enjoy nature. And I just love these bicycles, and they come from this bicycle pack. Again, you have 10 bicycles in there, all beautifully adorned with flower bouquets on both sides at the front, and you can see even the back wheel has the flowers on there. I just added the doodad sparkly little bits and pieces, and then as a banner I stamped happy birthday and added this to this card. Oh, and a little of my washi tape down here, so it looks like it sits on the grass, and this is a sparkly washi tape in green. And because it was so much fun, I made another card with the bicycle, and here I used this one page that had a lot of white in the middle, and what I have done is I just used a little bit of watercolor paint and added it around the edges, just so it wasn't too white, but it's also not overpowering. And actually I'm playing around with metallic watercolor paints, and you can see how this is shimmery. Try it out. I mean, I'm not a painter obviously, but you know, just as you know, to bring out this beautiful color, I thought that would work. And since these days everything can be rugged, nothing has to be precise, that's just perfect for me. So I can use, definitely I can use a brush and a little bit of color and put that around the corners, the edges. But isn't that a beautiful bicycle? It just looks so spring to me. That just gets me ready to go out and ride my bicycle. Okay, and then my last two cards, I did again some Slimline cards. So here you can see how I just used the 6x6 paper in its entirety, and I folded it in half, so I have a 3x6 card, and I added this little panel here, and the only thing I added here is a topper that came from the flowers and butterflies pack. And here I used those little tags that I have shared with you from this pack. Here it is. So these are just a couple, and then someone special is from the Paper Boutique. I'm gonna link that below. The Paper Boutique has all these sheets with sentiments, so I have plenty of sentiments now ever since I used these, and I just also added a little bit of color around the edges to make it stand out. But I love this card. And then of course I made a matching envelope so that it can fit. And my last card, it also has one of these embellishments from this butterfly flowers and butterflies. And this really looks like summer to me. I put a little bit of yellow glitter paper here. Happy birthday, a sticker. And look how friendly it looks with the inside already being printed. It's so much nicer than just having a white inside. And I just added a little bit of computer paper, printer paper. And you have this card and an envelope to go with. And these envelopes, when I have decorated envelopes, I just use a white address sticker so that you can even, or I can even mail it. So I hope you like my spring cards. This is all I have for you today. If you like this video, then please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and please share this video with your crafty friends and family. I would really appreciate the support. So thank you so much for spending time with me today. Please show me what you're up to. I would love to see your projects. See me on Facebook in European Paper Crafts Friends, and upload your own projects. Love to hear and see from you. Okay, please stay or get well. Happy crafting, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.